Do you like crabs? Do you like crab cakes? But without all the unhealthy carbs and fats? Then you should definitely try our baked or air fried crab balls. These crab balls are made with our homemade low-carb breadcrumbs, some non-fat Greek yogurt to keep it all together, the right amount of spices, and you can bake it or air fry it for a crispier coating. They're absolutely moist and delicious and pair very well with a lemon dill sauce. I'm Chris and you're watching Eat Well Live Well, where we take international food and drinks and transform them into healthier versions. Make sure you stick around to the end to discover more of our healthy, amazing recipes like these crab balls today. It is said that crab cakes were invented in the United States Chesapeake areas of Virginia and Maryland, historically. Also, one of the most popular seafood seasonings, known as Old Bay, also originated from Baltimore, Maryland, in the United States. As we all know with crab, the right amount of seasoning enhances the boldness of the flavor of the crab into a delicious seafood cuisine. Now all this crab talk is making me hungry, guys, so let's get started.